Forget the private jet, forget the mega yacht. These are children's toys now. The true measure of billionaire power isn't how fast you can fly, it's how fast you can disappear. And they're building the ultimate escape, the private Hyperloop Pod. This isn't a theory, it's an AI concept designed for the ultimate 0.1%. A pod capable of crossing continents at 600 miles per hour, all while you're sipping a custom espresso. We're talking about a vehicle that costs more than the GDP of some small nations. An estimated $1 billion for the pod and network access. This is the new hidden status symbol, reserved only for those who crave ultimate speed, ultimate security, and ultimate privacy. Today, we take you inside the $1 billion private Hyperloop Pod. We'll uncover the secrets of its zero-G sleeping quarters, its holographic boardroom, and reveal the geopolitical powers that will quietly control its private network. Stay with us, because what you're about to see is the future of the global elite. To travel at Mach 0.8, that's nearly the speed of sound, your vehicle can't look like anything else on Earth. The private pod, which we'll call the Chronos for this concept, is a masterpiece of stealth engineering. Its outer shell is not painted. It's covered in a carbon nanotube ceramic alloy, the same material used in the newest generation of stealth bombers. There are no seams, no visible hinges, just a smooth, silent capsule designed to cheat physics. The secret to its speed is, of course, the vacuum environment. But the pod itself uses advanced maglev technology, floating at centimeters above the track. This eliminates all friction, meaning the only thing slowing it down is air resistance, and the vacuum takes care of that. The real challenge wasn't the speed, it was the comfort. How do you ensure a champagne flute doesn't spill when you're accelerating from 0 to 600 miles per hour in seconds? The Chronos uses a proprietary AI-controlled kinetic stabilizer system that constantly adjusts the pod's balance, neutralizing G-forces. It's designed to be smoother than the calmest yacht ride in the Mediterranean. Step inside the Chronos and the world outside instantly vanishes. This isn't just a cabin. It's a private sanctuary built specifically for the ultra-wealthy mind. The sound of the surrounding vacuum is completely eliminated by a proprietary active noise cancellation system, creating an anti-noise bubble where not even a whisper from the outside can penetrate. The seating, it's completely bespoke, crafted from ethically sourced Italian leather and interwoven with temperature-regulating nanofibers. But the real spectacle is the view, or lack thereof. In this world of ultimate wealth, the greatest commodity isn't money, it's anonymity and security. The Chronos pod is designed to be a personal fortress capable of bypassing global surveillance. Access isn't granted by a key or a card. It requires triple-layered biometric authentication, including retinal, voice, and even DNA signature confirmation. The pod is a closed-loop system running on its own quantum encryption protocol, making it literally unhackable by any known state or private actor. But the deepest secret lies in the network itself. The Hyperloop is a public venture, but the line reserved for these private pods operates on a completely separate, classified section of the track. These lines are owned and controlled not by the Hyperloop Corporation, but by a select consortium of tech oligarchs and sovereign wealth funds. The $1 billion price tag doesn't just buy the pod, it buys you a stake in this private transportation matrix. It guarantees that you can travel from a private terminal in London to a hidden access point in Riyadh, completely off the grid, and known only to a few individuals who run the world. So why $1 billion? It's the ultimate barrier to entry. This cost breaks down into 3 core components: the design and build, estimated at $250 million for the custom engineering, AI systems, and exotic materials alone. The annual maintenance, a $50 million per year fee for the dedicated security, constant structural integrity checks, and power demands of the network. And finally, the access stake. Nearly $700 million is your buy-in to the secretive consortium. This is the fee for perpetual, unmonitored access to the global Hyperloop grid and the power it represents. In the end, this isn't about getting somewhere faster. It's about creating a new class divide, separating the global elite not just by wealth, but by the very space-time they inhabit. The question remains, is this level of luxury and secrecy worth $1 billion? And if you had access to the Chronos, where is the first place you would go? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden world of the ultra-rich. Thanks for watching.